Alright guys, so today I want to take a look at this kit that I bought here. I was out to Home Depot to get something, and I was kind of looking at the Milwaukee tools, and this is their M12 system, which I have some other tools that I really like. And for my 24 volt I use cobalt. And so anyways, they had this kit. It's a 3494-22. Now this kit was not on sale. It was $149 plus tax. Now initially I was taking a look and I saw the this drill driver, and I inquired and they said it was $149, but it did not include the impact driver. Well, then when he was looking for it, he saw the kit that had this, and I said, well, hey, how much is it again if you include the impact driver? How much was it? It was the same price. So whether I got the kit from this point over for $149, you could also get this for $149 and everything else. So it's a no-brainer. Why would I just get this for $149 when I can get the addition of the impact driver? So that's what I did. Now this kit also comes with this tool bag, zippered, but I find these for myself useless, so I like to use a hard case for them. So here you see the M12 charger. You'll get two CP 2.0 batteries. They are 2 amp hours each. Now here's your impact driver. This clip you can put on either side. The lockout here is for your switch in the center, forward and reverse, standard quarter 20 hex. And guys, this thing is small, 4.3 inches in overall length. This thing is sweet. So to attach anything, all you got to do is pull this collar out. Release it, and that's it. Now with the switch unlocked, and you gently tap the switch, you'll notice that your indicator light comes on. 4 lights means it's fully charged, and then your work light comes on also. Shuts off automatically. And on the lockout, when it's pointing forward, that means you're going forward with this, and when you push it to the other side, it's going to the rear of the tool, means it's going in reverse. And then in the center, it locks the switch out. Now as to your drill driver, this lockout acts the same manner as the impact driver. And the drill driver is only 5.4 inches in overall length. Here you see the collar in drill mode, and then you rotate it and you get into the driver mode with your different torque settings, all the way from 1 to 12, and then back into drill mode. And this 3/8 chuck is all metal. And with the drill driver, when you tap the switch, your battery indicator lights come on, as does your work light. Now on top of the tool, you'll notice a switch here. 1 indicates low speed range. Push it and you'll get a 2, and that's for your high speed range. Always let the tool come to a stop. Switch your range. And this switch is variable speed. And this chuck is keyless. Now as to your fuel gauge, the manual says that when less than 10% of charge is left, 1 light on the fuel gauge will flash 4 times. Further, it states, to signal the end of charge, 1 light on the fuel gauge will flash 8 times and the tool will not run. At that point, obviously, you need to charge the battery. If the battery becomes too hot, the fuel gauge lights will flash and the tool will not run. Allow the battery to cool down. This is true of both tools on the battery indicator lights. And as would be expected, you will get the manuals to the tools and the batteries and the charger. Alright, so let's see how this does on the lug nuts of my Honda CR-V. They take a 19mm socket and I torque them to 80 foot-pounds. So we're going to try this one right here. Just like that.